This fresh rail has a certain smell to it. I'm not sure what it is, but it smells like kind of tar, rubber. Okay, holy shit. So, you folks aren't going to believe this, but I'm underneath the SkyTrain guideway just train spotting, and I saw a build plate on the ground. Linear induction motor, Bombardier. It's not in fantastic condition, but you know, with a bit of TLC, it's got metal engravings. This is mine now. I'm gonna take it home, give it a wash, put it in the archives. Fuck yeah, that's a good find. I don't know. This big gravel patch, and I find this. I must be lucky today. Okay, the garden hose didn't really have enough pressure, so Lysol wipes. Don't know if that's going to really clean it at all, but at least it'll be germ-free. Yeah, not really. I'm probably going to use something abrasive or chemical, but I don't want to hurt the paint on it. At least not any more than it already has. Oh, one of the rivets is still stuck to it. This hasn't proved super successful. And it's still pretty grubby. Okay, and I did manage to get some of these old rivets out. Oh, there's another one. Also, this is far too wobbly. This is